Hi guys, welcome back to Chinese Parrot. Today we will continue to learn the initials. The first one is D. D. It's pronounced like D in duck. Day. It's an unaspirated sound. D. D. When you say D, use your tip of the tongue to press the upper gums with airflow. Then suddenly release and burst into sound. D. D. The second one is T. T. It's pronounced like T in tag, tall. It's an aspirated sound. T. T. When you say T, use your tip of the tongue to press the upper gums, holding back the airflow, and suddenly release and burst into sound. T. T. You need to particularly pay attention to the pronunciation of the unaspirated consonant D and the aspirated consonant T. Do you remember what we have learned last class? Take a piece of paper in front of your mouth. When you say D, the paper will not move, but it will be blew up when you say T. D. D. T. T. The third one is N. 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 Is pronounced similarly to its counterparts in the English language, such as neck, new, nice. N. N. When you say N, use your tip of the tongue to press the upper gums. Let the air flow through your nose. Then release your tip of the tongue from the upper gums and vocal cords vibrate. N. N. The first one is L. L. L is pronounced similarly to its counterpart in the English language, such as lady, like, light. L. L. When you say L, your lips need to open slightly, using your tip of the tongue to press the upper gums. Let the air flow out from both sides of the tongue and vocal cords vibrate. L. L. Let's review what we have learned this class. D. D. T. T. N. N. L. L. So, the homework is reading and writing what you have learned today. In the end of this class, let's learn a Chinese sentences. 冬天来了. It has used the initials we learned today. Can you find them? 冬天来了. 冬天 means winter. 来了 means it's coming. 冬天来了. 冬天来了. Have you learned it? That is for today's class. See you next time. 再见。